In 2017, the UN adopted a treaty to ban the most destructive weapons ever created. 122 countries voted in favor of the nuclear ban treaty, but so far, only 33 have ratified it. Meanwhile, there are 9 countries that possess nuclear weapons, and they strongly oppose this treaty. Paradoxically, some see nuclear weapons as instruments of peace, arguing that as long as more than one country has them, the fear of mutually assured destruction will keep things in check. But as long as they exist, nuclear weapons pose a serious threat to humanity. Experts warn that even a small-scale nuclear war would kill millions of people, and leave behind an ecological disaster. Even if we exclude the possibility of a nuclear war, accidents happened before, and chances are they'll happen again. As Professor Brian Toon said, we're just one misunderstanding, one mistake, or one fanatic politician away from a nuclear conflict. The group of scientists who created the world's first nuclear weapons were fully aware of the destructive power of their work, and felt compelled to warn the public about it. So, they created the doomsday clock. The concept is simple. The closer the minute hand is to midnight, the closer we are to disaster. Today, it's 2 minutes to midnight. As close as it was at the height of the Cold War. So what happens when a nuclear bomb explodes? The largest nuclear weapon ever tested, the 50-megaton Soviet Tsar bomber, would kill more than 7 million people if it were dropped over New York City. After detonation, a massive fireball would wipe out everything in its path. The air blast would tear down most buildings across an area of 250 square kilometers, killing and trapping people under piles of rubble. Those lucky enough to survive the collapsing buildings would be killed within days by the huge amounts of radiation. But this scenario can, and should be prevented. The Red Cross launched a global campaign to make people aware of the catastrophic consequences of a nuclear war, and urge governments to sign the treaty. You can help by joining their campaign at www.notonukes.org. Because the only thing worth fighting for is a safer world for everybody. We need to take action while there's still time. Please, share this video to help prevent a disaster.